Hi there! While we know that some kinds of fat can be beneficial to our diet, others should be avoided, or at least eaten in lesser amounts. Dietary cholesterol is found in animal foods including shellfish, ice cream, chicken, butter, and red meats. Strong evidence shows that eating patterns that include less dietary cholesterol are associated with reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, but your overall risk depends on many factors. Just to review a few terms: blood cholesterol, a waxy, fat-like substance made by your liver; atherosclerosis, the hardening and narrowing of arteries. Here is what it looks like when your arteries start to harden, also known as atherosclerosis. This can cause a variety of issues related to cardiovascular disease and strokes. To keep your heart healthy, try to eat a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean meats. Limit your intake of cholesterol and saturated fats. Thanks for watching.